Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. We're Nigel and Sue and these are our adventures. In this episode we head further north to Rockhampton. Nigel does some kite surfing at Yeppoon and we take a beautiful walk in a national park. We stay on the water, review a fish and chip shop and enjoy a gorgeous sunset from our caravan park. Don't forget to subscribe for more of our van life travel adventures. We're back on the road. So we've just stopped in Gladstone to collect our mail and now we're making our way on to Rockhampton, which we're going to be staying there at a free camp at a place called Kershaw Gardens. Welcome to Rockhampton.
While you are going to go to the store and get some
I'm going to get groceries.
I'm dropping the oil. Need to be careful I don't overfill this thing. I thought I had a big enough bucket, but maybe I don't. And we're doing an oil change here in Rockhampton.
We've got a kookaburra come to say hi. Maybe he will say hi and do a quick little laugh, kookaburra. Look at him. He looks hungry. Look. We stayed last night in this big gravel car park opposite the shops here in Rockhampton. It's such a convenient free camp right in the middle of the town, but obviously not somewhere we want to hang around. So today we're going to head to Yeppoon.
Ooh, Yeppoon.
We've come down to the waterfront at Yeppoon and unfortunately it's not very nice. Clearly it's super windy today. That's a loud car. And the ocean's really rough. So I was just talking to a local lady. Well, she lived here for 7 years. She's actually French, but and she was saying that normally it's beautiful and blue, but because it's so windy today, it's looking pretty murky and brown like this. Anyway, we might go for a bit of a walk along the waterfront just to check it out. Nigel's just spotted someone out there kite surfing. Oh, I can't see him. Oh, he's coming in now. But you know what that means. He's going to go out. Stingers and all. It's really windy though, so it'll be good out there. We've been hanging out here at the beach at Yeppoon for the day. We're just going to take a drive up now to the lookout. We've just had some really awesome news. Nigel was meant to fly out to work tomorrow, but he's been delayed. So we're going to keep travelling for a little bit longer together. Yay!
Pretty darn excited. Yeah, no rush to go back to work. We'd planned on March, wasn't it? End of February.
Yeah.
And we're going right here.
Yeah, we're going right.
And so it's actually getting close to our original. Here we go, there.
Go.
Original plan. So yeah, the stars are starting to align. I thought I'd just have the last kite surfing play for a while now, and when I say a while, I'm thinking, gosh, I'm not going to get on a kite board and on the water until probably June or July. So I was a little bit a little bit melancholy, to be fair. So I might get another play within the next week. So yeah, it's kind of cool.
Awesome. So we've got some great places that we're going to be able to visit because Nigel's here and can do the 4-wheel drives. Yeah, things are looking good. We've come up to the Yeppoon lookout and I've seen so many pictures of this and videos from people who have been here, and it looked so beautiful. And we're here on an extremely windy day. It looks like... So there you have it, folks. Not that thrilling, is it? You might be able to see all the way out there the islands. That's the Keppels, Great Keppel Island. I went out and stayed at that resort way back in the 80s.
Showing the age.
Showing my age. Let's get in the van and go to Byfield National Park.
Yeah. Getting blown away, blowing all my hair off.
Let's do it. We have just arrived at the beautiful Red Rock camping area in Byfield National Park. So we've parked up here and it's really gorgeous. Like, they're really grassy sites. We've got a little table and a fire up there. It has been raining, so a lot of the wood is wet, but hopefully we'll be able to get a fire going. And there it looks like there's toilets here too, which is really nice. And there's no one else here. Well, except one. We're calling him Creepy Guy already. We haven't seen him, but there's a car up there. Really old, Valiant car. We've had the most beautiful fire going tonight out here, but we've had to retreat into the van because Nigel in particular has just been absolutely smashed by mosquitoes.
God damn mosquitoes.
So well, he's just packing up. I'm inside. Actually, I do have a few bites on my back, damn things. And we're now making some pizzas for dinner. So our favourite dinner, and the plan was, because this is supposed to be Nigel's last night before he goes back to work, so we were going to have van pizza for dinner. He's not going back to work tomorrow, but we're still going to have van pizza.
You know, if I watch from there, this is it in tears. I'm still stalling, eh? God! Yes! Yes! It's done, it's possible.
Today we are at Bluff Point in the Capricorn Coast National Park. This is a tiny little national park, and it really just consists of this big bluff right here on the coast. And we're going to take a short walk. We're going to go out to the Turtle Lookout. So from where we are here, this is the bluff, it's a big hill, and we're going to go up to the Turtle Lookout.
Because we love turtles.
We love turtles, and we want to see one.
Go on, let's do it.
So we didn't actually think there was much of a hill on this walk, but we're now walking up the hill. But of course, what walking up hills means is a great view. And we just passed a lovely old couple who assured us that you can see turtles from the turtle lookout. Let's keep going. We've made it to the turtle lookout, and the good news is we've seen turtles.
Yeah.
There's quite a few down there, hey?
Yeah, I've seen several.
And also from here we can look out all the way over the Keppel Islands, over there, and lots of other different islands. So we're going to continue on just a little bit further up to the next lookout, which I think is called, I forget. Anyway, we're going to continue on up to that lookout. Hey Nige, what's the next lookout called?
The turtle lookout?
No, that was this one.
Oh, chicken turtle lookout.
We checked the map and it's actually called Ritamada Lookout. So that point over there is Ritamada. And then there's all these little islands.
So those guys are heading out to Great Keppel.
Yeah, lucky. You know what I think it's time for?
Fish and chips.
I think it's time for another fish and chips review.
Woo-hoo.
Let's do it.
Well, it's been a week.
So this map should give you a bit of an idea where we are. We've come today from Rockhampton and driven out to Yeppoon and then down to this little area here, which is the National Park. And we walked out to the turtle lookout and what's it called again?
I don't know. Turtle lookout.
Second turtle lookout. Rama something?
No, we were looking down towards...
And this is a view, so we walked from this spot here up through the dry rainforest to Turtle Lookout and then Ritamata Outlook, otherwise known as Second Turtle Lookout. And we've come back the same way rather than completing the loop because it is midday and it's hot and we didn't want to do the full circuit in the heat of the day.
No, and we're talking about fish and chips.
Yeah, that's right. I think we're going to get fish and chips. What are you doing, Nige?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Going for a swim.
What about fish and chips? Poor old Nige, it looks like there must be some jaggedy ass rocks out there. He's moving a bit further up the beach. So that's Bluff Point up there where we were walking, and there's this nice little bay here. A couple of little islands. It's quite protected so the sea's not too rough. So we are here at the Causeway Lake fish and chip shop. Light's not very good. We've just picked up our fish and chips. They already get points off because they put on chicken salt instead of plain salt.
Oh.
But the good news is they did have Spanish mackerel, our favourite fish. So this is a look at what it looks like. And we'll give you the report after we've eaten.
We're going to skull it.
Alrighty, time for a rating. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. And I did have the fish today because it was Spanish mackerel, which I love. The good points of this fish and chips were the Spanish mackerel was yummy and they were homemade potato scallops and the chips were good. The not so good things were the batter was a little bit thick and doughy, and they put chicken salt on instead of plain salt.
Yeah.
So 7 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, I'll go along with that. The fish was really juicy, which was a plus, but yeah, something's not quite. Yeah, the batter.
The batter.
Just a little bit too thick, because we like it thin and crispy, a bit like our pizzas. So you can, taste the fish more than the batter.
Yeah.
But other than that, yeah, it's good. 7.
7 from you as well.
Yeah.
So it's an overall 7 out of 10 for the Causeway Lake fish and chips, just outside of Yeppoon, Queensland. Good morning, everybody. So we stayed last night here in this caravan park, which is actually right next to the fish and chip shop where we had lunch yesterday. We just hung out here for the afternoon, had a really nice long hot shower. So we don't stay in caravan parks very often. When we do, it's usually when I say to Nigel, I really need to have a really nice long hot shower, wash my hair, all that sort of stuff. He doesn't have to worry about these things. So we got an unpowered site. It's fairly spacious here. The toilet block is just over there, that yellow building. Now this is it's called the Causeway Caravan Park. So we're right next to the Causeway Lake, just over there. The sunset was quite nice last night. It's nice being close to the water. It's pretty nice breezes. It was really comfortable here during the evening. And look, the caravan park is a bit old and tired. The amenities are a bit old and tired. There was a green tree frog in the sink and another one in the toilet when I went there this morning. But, it's cheap, it's comfortable, and we're not all packed in like sardines, which we get at a lot of caravan parks. So we've enjoyed our night here. We're actually going back to Rockhampton today as we have Nigel has an appointment there. And then from Rockhampton, we're going to head further north towards Mackay, and a campsite that we have been looking forward to going to for quite a while. So it's a completely off-grid free camp. We'll show you that when we get there. We hope you've enjoyed this episode. Join us next time when we visit what has been called the best free camp in Australia. We'll let you decide when you see the episode. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.